sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon edition of the Daily Weather Briefing video. This is for Friday, the 15th of July. I'm James Spann. Hey, don't forget, got a book signing tomorrow in Gordo, Pickens County, West Alabama. 9 to noon at Main Street Nutrition Center on Main Street. We have tons of fun at these things. The books will be there, Weathering Life. All You Can Do Is Pray, which is the book about April 27, 2011. Our new children's book, which is great for kids. Benny and Chipper, Prepared, Not Scared. All the cool T-shirts and hats. And again, we just have great fun at these things. So, Gordo, if you're in Pickens County or Tuscaloosa, come on over. It's just on the other side of Tuscaloosa. We'll be there from 9 to noon tomorrow. Weather pretty quiet today. We can be thankful for that. This is the upper air look across the country today. And again, the core of the really nasty heat is west of Alabama. Parts of the Great Plains back into the southwest. We have troughing over the northeast. There's the visible satellite view this afternoon, and you can see it's mostly sunny across the state. Very quiet, just not much at all on radar. And I'm doing this update live at 1:30 today, a little early. And again, you can see got a few showers and thunderstorms around Mobile County, and that's about it. A few showers on the Florida Panhandle coast, but it's fairly dry today. Temperatures around 1 o'clock, mostly upper 80s, a couple of low 90s on the board. Most locations will kind of inch up into the low 90s this afternoon. Very typical. That's exactly average for mid-July in Alabama. Check the watch warning map around the nation. Heat advisories for parts of the Great Plains, a few counties in Colorado, Wyoming, and Utah under flash flood watches. Here's the severe weather risk for the rest of today and tonight. Got a marginal risk over parts of the Florida Peninsula, not the Panhandle. Also a more significant risk up north, parts of Montana and the Dakotas. This is tomorrow, Saturday, a marginal risk out across parts of the Great Plains. Day 3, Sunday, no organized severe weather expected. Monday, day 4, got a risk up north near the Canadian border. And on Tuesday, day 5, a risk of severe storms over parts of Wisconsin, in fact, all of Wisconsin and some of the adjacent states. All of that on top of the heat ridge, which covers the deep south this time of the year. And that's their main severe weather season, summertime there. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and really not a lot. Of course, understand every day, you know the deal, we have a chance of a pop-up storm. But the pattern really looks relatively dry. We'll have a few days with scattered storms, maybe average amounts about 1/2 inch between now and the end of next week. And the tropics remain quiet. How long will that last? That's the big question. Evidence we might see a little change in the MJO pattern toward the end of the month. The phase number, that might begin to show some activity out there. But for now, we can appreciate the fact that there's just nothing happening across the vast Atlantic basin. No tropical storms or hurricanes really through next week. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, Global Forecast System modeling here. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And again, the core of the really nasty heat is a little west of here. And for us, it looks like a dry day for most of the state, mostly sunny. The chance of a shower, not 0, but it should be like today. Most everybody dry. Highs, I'd say low 90s, maybe mid-90s in a few spots. And really not much change on Sunday. For the weekend, it's going to be quiet, just hot, muggy, and showers should be few and far between. Evidence Monday, we could see a little bump in the number of scattered showers and storms over the northern half of the state with a surface boundary trying to drop in from the north, but that won't make it through here. This is Tuesday, and as the ridge begins to build, that looks pretty dry. Highs in the 90s. Same thing on Wednesday and Thursday, and again, there could be a pop-up storm somewhere. This is a week from today, Friday the 22nd, ridge nosing in here, and the better chance of scattered storms over the southern half of the state, if this works out. Let's go out 10 days, and I don't like this. No. Hope this doesn't work out. That's a 597 upper high on top of us, and if that's right, this thing would be hot as blue blazes, and the subsidence, the sinking air underneath that would mean no rain at all. But this is the first time we've seen this in modeling. And this will change many times. This is 10 days out. And again, every day in the summer it's hot and humid. We know that, but the degree of heat will depend on where that upper high sets up. Let's look at the ensemble data. This is coming off the GFS Ensemble Rain for the next 15 days, basically for the rest of July. The mean about 2 inches, and if we get that, we'll take that. National blend of models. Again, this is kind of the ensemble approach, looking at the numbers, and you can see every day we'll be in the 90s, low to mid 90s, on through the 25th of July. Lows in the 70s, pretty much what you expect around here this time of the year. And the latest 8 to 14 day guidance in the house. This is for July the 22nd through July the 28th, showing temperatures around here maybe a little above average if this forecast happens to verify. So that's it for the afternoon briefing. And if you're new to this, again, I've been doing these videos for over 20 years, but we shifted a couple of weeks ago to do them live. And I'll be honest with you, I mean, I'm a straight shooter. The point of this, it's to save some time. Time is a precious commodity in my world. And doing it live on the fly like this, you don't have to edit. It goes straight to the world. So that's the deal. We do them live. For me, weekday mornings about 5:15. Typically weekday afternoons about 2:30. A little early today, but they're always there so you can watch them later. And Scott Martin does the traditional recorded videos over the weekend on Saturday and Sunday here. We'll have notes on our blog, AlabamaWX.com, which is where we put all the forecast notes that go with this. And again, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.